North Bengal is definitely one of our favorite weekend getaways from Kolkata. We love the mountains, tea gardens, rivers, greenery, and definitely views of Kanchenjumgha, even if all of them are not found in the same place. But what if I say that there is a small hamlet near Darjeeling where you can get all of these in the same place? Wouldn't that be simply great? Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Offbeat and Untold. After a brief hiatus, we are back again with another video of an offbeat weekend destination in North Bengal, Mim Tea Estate. Stay tuned to the end of this video to get all the details about this enchanting place located near Darjeeling. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel to get more travel videos and wonderful weekend destinations like these. It was quite hot in Kolkata, and what is better than to travel to North Bengal for a weekend in this weather? This time our search for offbeat places near Darjeeling took us to Mim Tea Estate or Mim Busty, located near Sukhiapokhri. There we had stayed at Little Forest Homestay and spent some really great time. Mim Tea Garden or Mim Tea Estate is located about 12 kilometers from Ghoom and 5 kilometers from Sukhiapokhri. If you are coming from NJP or Siliguri, take a shared cab towards Darjeeling and get down at Ghoom. From there you can hire a car to Mim Tea Estate. You can also ask the homestay to arrange a car for you from NJP or Siliguri. There are two homestays at Mim. We had stayed at Little Forest Homestay. This homestay is located a little uphill and is surrounded by forests of fir and pine. The place is absolutely heavenly. Double bedrooms and family rooms are available here as well as cottages. This was our cottage. The room was quite cozy, having a great view of the mountains. It also had a seating area in front from where you can get a view of the Kanchenjumgha ranges on a clear day. The homestay also has a watchtower from where you can see the surrounding mountains. The place is extremely beautiful, surrounded by peace and greenery. Crispy, cool air greeted us. We woke up in the morning by the sounds of chirping birds. It was a place of absolute serenity, a place where we could simply relax. What do you think about Mim? Would you like to visit such a place? Do let us know in comments below. There is a huge dining room inside the property. The food served here is also quite delicious. The best thing you can do at Mim Tea Estate is sit back and relax. Little Forest Homestay is quite gorgeous, and we simply sat down watching the mountain ranges and talking to each other.
ये आपका लिटिल फॉरेस्ट होम स्टे हो गया। इस साइड में आपका मानेवंज है, ये ऊपर में आपका तुमलिंग हो गया, ये इधर आने से आपका धोत्रे हो गया, और इस साइड का आपका ये वैली होता है। ये वैली के पीछे आपका सिक्किम पड़ता है, उसके ठीक पीछे आपका कंचनजंगा।
You can also visit the tea gardens and the tea estate located at a few minutes distance from the homestay. You can also take a visit to the Rangit River, but for that you have to hire a car. It takes about 45 minutes by car from our homestay to reach the riverside. The drive is through the winding roads in the midst of tea gardens and is extremely beautiful. We spent 2 wonderful days at Little Forest Homestay in Mim. Finally, it was time to leave and we started towards Darjeeling, our next stop with wonderful memories. While on our way towards Darjeeling, we stopped at Lepcha Jagat for a few minutes. How can one ever deny the charm of the misty surroundings and the towering pine trees? So, would you like to visit Mim? Please subscribe to our channel for more travel videos, and we promise to come back with another wonderful weekend destination soon. Until then, goodbye and see you.